Good morning, students. Welcome to my English class. Today, in this class, I am going to discuss a chapter from the 100 Days is one. It's from First Flight for Standard 10. In this chapter, the story is about a poor Polish girl. Polish girl means a girl belonging to Poland. Okay, so a poor Polish girl who goes to an American school in an American city. So because she has a different nationality, that is, she belongs to Poland, and that's why her name is different from other girls or classmates reading in her class. And also, she was poor, that's why she used to wear the same dress every day to school. So, for these reasons, she was mocked in the school or made fun by other girls because of her funny name, because of her nationality, and because she was very poor. So she was made fun in her school. So that's why this story is a very sensitive account of a little poor girl, okay, and her feelings, and because she was tortured, harassed, what she decided to do, okay, to deal with the with her classmates. Now, beginning with the story, this is 100 Days is 1. The story is divided into two parts, 100 Days is 1 and 100 Days is 2. So, I will discuss part wise both the stories, okay, and there may be many parts. So, you'll get to know how many parts are there if you watch my video continuously one after another. The saying today, Monday, Wanda Petronsky was not in her seat. So, this is the name of this poor Polish girl. Her name is Wanda Petronsky. So, talking about that day, that is Monday, and she was not in her seat. In her seat means in a seat inside the class, means she was absent from school. But nobody, not even Peggy and Madeline, the girls who started all the fun, noticed her absence. So, though she was absent that day on Monday in the school, but in her class, nobody, none of the students noticed her absence. Okay, and especially mentioning two name of two girls, and these are Peggy and Madeline. So, why especially these names are mentioned? Because these two girls started making fun with Wanda. So they even did not notice that she was absent in the class. Usually, Wanda sat in the seat next to the last seat in the last row in room 13. So this was her seat in the class. So she used to sit in the seat next to the last seat. Okay, means second last seat, starting from the corner. Okay, so last corner next to the corner seat, and in the last row in room number 13. She sat in the corner of the room where the rough boys who did not make good marks sat. So generally in the last row, who sit there? Generally poor students who are not good at studies, and those who did not score good marks sit there. So Wanda also used to sit there in the last row. The corner of the room where there was most scuffling of feet, scuffling, noisy dragging movement of the feet on the ground. So in that corner of the room there was most scuffling of feet, that noise was heard the most. Then most roars of laughter when anything funny was said in the class by the teacher, and most mud and dirt on the floor, and the students sitting there, they used to have their feet caked with mud and dirt. So that's why that corner was the dirtiest corner of the room. Wanda did not sit there because she was rough and noisy. So Wanda was not that kind of a girl, okay, that she was rough and noisy. She did not used to make noise, and she was also not having a rough kind of behavior with other girls or other classmates. Okay, so she was not that kind of a girl. But why did she sit on the last bench? On the contrary, on the opposite, what kind of a girl she was? She was very quiet and rarely said anything at all. So she was silent always in the class and rarely, okay, said anything at all in the class. And nobody had ever heard her laugh out loud. And also, she did not laugh loudly. So, but why then she sat there? and anybody had ever heard her laugh out loud. Sometimes she twisted her mouth into a crooked sort of smile. Crooked sort of smile means not straight, having bends or angles, but that was all. So that was all about her character in the class. Okay, she was not a noisy kind of girl. Okay, did not create noise in the class. She did not disturb the class. She even did not laugh out loudly, and she rarely speak anything in the class. Okay, then why did she sit at the last bench? Nobody knew exactly why Wanda sat in that seat, in the last seat, no, next to the last seat, unless it was because she came all the way from Boggins Heights and her feet were usually caked with dry mud. So this was the reason why she sat in the last bench. Why? Because she came from Boggins Heights. Now Boggins Heights is a place where the entire garbage of the city is dumped. Okay, so that is a dirty kind of area where you will get foul smell whenever you go, and that kind of that place seems to have full of dirt and then wet mud. So her feet, Yuvanda's feet, were usually caked with dry mud. But no one really thought much about Wanda Petronsky once he sat in the corner of the room. So no one really thought of Wanda Petronsky once he sat in the class. But then when they used to think about her, the time when they thought about Wanda was outside of school hours. So once she sat inside the class, she was relief. Relief from being made fun. Okay. But the girls used to talk to her, okay, just outside the school hours, when at noon time, when they were coming back to school, or in the morning early before school began, when groups of 2 or 3 or even more would be talking and laughing on their way to the schoolyard. So this was the time before school and after school. The girls used to talk to Wanda. When the girls came in group of 2 or 3, okay, they were talking, they were laughing with each other on their way to the schoolyard. Then sometimes they waited for Wanda. Sometimes the girls waited for Wanda, okay, to have fun with her. The next day, Tuesday. So Monday she was absent in the school, in the class. The next day, Tuesday, Wanda was not in school. So the next day was also, okay, she was absent. Either and nobody noticed her absence again. So Monday she was absent. Next day, Tuesday also she was absent, but nobody noticed her absence again. But on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, who sat down front with other children who got good marks and who did not track in a whole lot of mud, did notice that Wanda wasn't there. The next day, Wednesday. Now, Wednesday, what happens? Peggy and Maddie. Now, talking about these two girls, where these two girls sit in the class, these two girls sit on the front bench, okay, with other children who got good marks in studies. Okay, so they sit there, and they also did not come from such dirty place, and that's why they did not track a whole lot of mud on their feet. So these two girls noticed that Wanda wasn't there on Wednesday. Now why did they notice? Peggy was the most popular girl in school. Now talking about the two girls, Peggy and Maddie. Peggy was the most popular girl in school. So mind it, Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. She was pretty, means beautiful. She had many pretty clothes. That means she was rich. She had many dresses, beautiful clothes, and her hair was curly. And her hair was curly. You know, curly, turn and twist. She had many pretty clothes. Curly. Maddie was her closest friend, and Maddie was her best friend or closest friend. Whose? Peggy's. The reason Peggy and Maddie noticed Wanda's absence was because Wanda had made them late to school. So this is the reason that they noticed Wanda's absence that day. Why? Because they waited for Wanda somewhere, okay, at some place, and Wanda maybe did not appear, and because they waited there for Wanda, okay, they were late to school, and that's why they noticed that Wanda was absent that day. They had waited and waited for Wanda to have some fun with her, and she just hadn't come. So as I was telling you, see, they were waiting at some place for Wanda, but Wanda hadn't come. So they often waited for Wanda Petronsky to have fun with her. Now this is not the first time that they waited for her. Usually, okay, very often they waited for Wanda at that corner of the street or maybe some place, okay, to have fun with her. Now Wanda Petronsky, most of the children in room 13 did not have names like that. So her name was strange and funny. That is Wanda Petronsky. So most of the children in room 13 did not have names like that. Now what kind of names they had? They had names easy to say like Thomas, Smith or Alan. These are the common American names. Okay. So in India, we have common names like Rahul, Rohit, okay, then Sekhar, then Suman. These are the common names in India. So these are the common names in America, Thomas, Smith or Alan. But Wanda Petronsky in America, and for the American children it's a strange name and funny name. So there was one boy named Bounce, Willie Bounce, in their class, okay, and people thought that was funny. So that name was funny. What was the name? Willie Bounce. But not funny in the same way that Petronsky was. But that name too, also Willie Bounce, was not as funny as Petronsky sound. Wanda did not have any friends. Now talking about Wanda, she did not have any friends. She came to school alone and went home alone. She always wore a faded blue dress that did not hang right. Did not hang right means did not fit properly. Means short according to her height. It was clean. Now, what kind of a dress that was? It was a faded blue dress that did not hang right. More about the dress, it was clean, not dirty, but it looked as though it had never been ironed properly. But the dress was, though the dress was clean, but it wasn't never been ironed properly. She did not have any friends, but a lot of girls talked to her. Sometimes they surrounded her in the schoolyard as she stood watching the little girls play hopscotch on the worn hard ground. So actually, she did not have any friends, but lot of girls talked to her. Even these girls, they surround her in the schoolyard when she would watch other little girls play hopscotch. Now, hopscotch is a game in which children hop into and over squares marked on the ground. So these girls, they surround her in the schoolyard when she would look at the other little girls playing hopscotch. So up to here for this part, this is part 1 and I will continue, okay, part wise this story. So that's it in this part. Okay, goodbye.